On the second phase here, just make sure that we get the bloods as far out and the swapping down, and then if when we do get them far out, I know that round was good when it came to bloods being put out towards the end. Obviously, it got all fucked up, but and when you're DPS on Zul, don't be on that side. Try to stay between Skull and X. If we stay between like Skull and X and try to keep Zul between Skull and X, but we're dropping all those pools over there, we're never going to have that problem where we're going to have one of the things spawn in the blood. Unless it spawns on the tank like way over there. But it's a lesser chance of it actually happening. So let's try to keep Zul between Skull and X and everyone on that side. So that we don't have the problem of the actual pools spawning in the bloods. Other than that, let's just run it back. It was a good pull. Speaking damage-wise, everyone did great damage.
We just gotta iron out the kinks.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ozzy, you're gonna want to move to the left.
You gonna run that out or?
Yeah, just.
Xers on Diamond and Moon. Your trap's out now.
This time. I got re-CC on that.
Phasing, get ready to go on Crusher. Re-CC, re-CC.
Tank swap now.
Cool. Big damage on Zul, do not stand in front of it.
Get in it, dude.
Taunting.
Corrosion and pool, please keep me up. Another pool behind Zul. Someone get on with that.
Bloods?
Nobody bop Ginger, so I can
Can I
drop
get a
my
re-CC on? What happened with the blood there?
Nobody bought Ginger, so I was over there for 20 seconds.
I died, so
Call it
I
out.
dropped my blood in the middle.
And
The
then
DPS is
because
there.
I
We just
was-
gotta clean that shit up, dude.
Yeah, and because I was over there for 20 seconds, I couldn't taunt off of enter.
Yeah,
fast
did
enough.
you say it? Did you say it once though? Did you say you needed a
No.
bob?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Just make sure you say that next time. Other than that, we should be able to clean this up.
Bobby in the face. You stand buff. Stamina, please. Thank you.
Oh yeah, too, bunk. Yeah, please get that the fuck out of the raid next time. Other than that, we're good.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Cool, right in front of you.
Get ready to CC Moon and Purple. Please CC them far back. Get them off their spawn.
Drop your traps on them now. Do not stand in front of the crusher.
Second phase.
Satch feared, someone get in the pool.
Free CC, free CC.
Get in it, dude. There's so many people on fucking around that shit.
Hexer didn't get re-CC'd.
No, we no. Those hexers fucking. That was like a fucking glitch spawn of them. He did not cast that. There's two sets of hexers out.
Okay, wipe it. Just wipe it.
I didn't even. He seriously didn't even fucking cast that. I swear. That was weird.
Alright, so pools, guys. Literally stand in it. If multiple people get in the same pool, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, granted, one person is supposed to be in it, but if you see a pool, I don't care what you're doing, you will go stand in it.
If you're arranged.
I mean, I thought that was implied, but yeah, if you're arranged. I really don't care what you're doing, you will go stand in that pool. That is the new rule.
Witch Hunter's the one that's been CCing Moon every time. Like every time this came up. Who's been doing that? You? Okay, who else did I have up?
I got purple last time.
Okay, that's Hexic. Hexic, I'm
Yeah.
gonna take over that job for you. All right.
All right. Cool.
Just you focus on pools as much as you can, also with like corrosion and anyone else paying a fucking attention to them. So help
Cool.
them out with pools. I'll take over CC.
All right. Yeah, I'm survival, but if I see one, I'll get it.
Oh yeah, you are survival. Fuck. All right. Well, ranged. Just fucking watch out for the pools, please. Yeah. Don't go full fucking pool duty. I didn't realize you were. I'll still take over your CC though.
Okay. I'll back up if we need.
All right. Pull on you guys. We're ready.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
LCC green.
Sorry, you get tomahawked.
In the phase through, please make sure you bring Crusher over towards square in purple side. Re-CC.
Oh, Ginger fell off. You're as Ginger if you can.
On Crusher.
That's a wipe.
Fucking second Crusher's got out again?
Yeah, Hexer's got out again.
Yeah, second Hexers, I mean, what the fuck? Am I the only one who's missing him cast that? I seriously haven't seen him cast it.
I haven't seen him cast it either, so I think it's glitching out.
Seems
So,
like happening at the same exact time. Honestly, there is a solution here. Because we are at 21, and I was planning on going. So, that'll drop you down to 20, and that's probably just the extra, push through right there. Because you'll lose the HP. So we're at 21 right now. And everyone kind of knows what they're doing by now. Let's see. Who can I throw on?
I've had a few people messaging me that they need to go, so we're probably just gonna call it here, guys. We will pick up again tomorrow at 6 p.m. EST. So if you guys are on, we will be doing that. So thanks to everybody for coming. It was a successful night. At least we got to Zul. We just have 3 more left, which we will take care of tomorrow. So If you want, you can go ahead and add Ginger Purple as a battle ID friend. I will try and get guildies first, battle ID second, and then we will plug everybody else.
Where can we? Where's this link for this? Where can you find like a link for the community?
What community?
We have the one community that we have, Echoes running one. You should just add anyone who's interested into that, post it in raid at the end of raids and shit like that. But I don't see where to copy this fucking URL for it.
You want
Like
to make me an
invite.
officer? In it?
And that. I don't even see that. Wait, roles. Yeah, here we go.